Yo, what it is, gang? It's KK on the check-in for KK's Corner. Today is finally the day, y'all. I got 23,000 subscribers. I got over 4 million views. I've been live streaming, but I ain't been pushing my P and taking it serious enough. So today, me and my brother finna set up this PC. We gonna set up the desktop stream. I'm gonna show y'all all the equipment I got. I told y'all, I'm taking y'all on this daily journey with me, Daily KK. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you send this YouTube channel right now out to your brother, mama, sister, cousin, baby mama, ex-ho, new ho.
Tell me.
It's KK on the check-in. My brother here.
Nigga.
My brother here.
Henny, man, we here. Ready to put this shit together, bro.
Let's get it, let's go. Alright. So we're gonna be showing y'all everything we get as we put it together, you feel me? So bear with us. So I feel like first thing important, before we get to the PC, before we get to the monitors and all that shit, we gotta get to the desk, you feel me? So, alright. We're gonna show y'all everything we got. Now, not gonna lie, I ordered this desk off of Amazon, you feel me? So, if you're looking for a good affordable desk, I think I only spent about $140 on this desk.
Yeah. It looked pretty good. It seemed like it come with everything you need. So if you don't got screwdrivers and shit like that.
Yeah, cause we ain't got no screwdriver. Do we need one?
Nah, we got one.
Alright, bet.
Yeah.
Y'all know I'm just a stud. I ain't know what the fuck to buy. I'm just buying shit. Didn't know we was gonna need this and that and your mama and your pappy, daddy, brother, sister. So, yeah, we finna start putting this together. I'm gonna try to drop a screenshot right here of the desk that I got, just in case y'all wanna get the same one off Amazon. But honestly, even if I don't drop a screenshot, bro, just go on Amazon.com, type you in a gaming desk and get you something long and big that you can put 2 computer screens on there, because I think that's what's most important, having room for your computer screens, and then if you want to do a keyboard and any other decoration, you know, your mics, all that shit.
What Drake said, the whole shebang.
Manisha, the back, shebang.
Shazam.
All of my ops, that ass.
Alright, so let me get all this down.
And
These rules and shit.
I'm not KK Bob the Builder, you know. Shout out my nigga Wavy. Yeah, show him how we coming.
We coming like this. KK going, we gonna be building this. Basically, this was gonna look like when it ends.
You feel me? Y'all finna see a whole process, bro. And then as soon as it's set up, that's when I'm gonna start back live streaming. Now, I know with Twitch, I still gotta build an audience, but I'm not gonna lie. With YouTube, I was building a pretty good audience before I took my little hiatus break. But we back and better, and I'm gonna now be streaming on YouTube and Twitch simultaneously at the same time. So for my YouTube audience who missed me, I miss y'all too. And for Twitch, welcome to the motherfucking show, nigga. It's Chicago, nigga. Alright. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all wasn't born last night. Y'all know how to put together a desk. So when we get to the next part of what we created, that's when I'm gonna bring y'all back in. I'm gonna start my vlog back, you feel me? But just know I'm ready to take content serious. I love life. We're going Daily KK. Make sure y'all look at the past 2 videos I've uploaded. I know I just uploaded my story time on getting indicted, going to jail. Then I know I just uploaded the five life tips and advice you need to know before starting college for all my incoming freshmen. Even though college might be declining in the next couple years with all this social media growth, we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna come back on here after the desk together, show y'all what's next. No, yeah, phone I'm finna lock in, forget it.
Look this, I'm put up back in, bro. Bitch, I'm in my city, round, big ain't no surprise. This bitch stuff like it's surround sound. Do you see bodies drop? I'm all about it. I ain't got nothing for it. 500 some grand side, pound bro, I'm without growth. Look, he got like 20 and I got 50, and it's going to that store. Once she done chewing my dick for rent, pointing up out my door. She said I said it's okay to
Y'all see, I'm up in here getting busy, okay. 1 hour later update. It ain't done yet, but it's coming though. So you got the monitors right here, the PC right here. Hold on. There we go. Got some more equipment up here. Ooh. Alright, chat. I'm back with another update, boy. It is now 8:22. Almost an hour and a half. It ain't been an hour and a half yet. And show y'all what we working with though. Yeah, I think it's gonna fit.
But we would have to leave this down. We couldn't put this up. Cause that
one of the computers.
Well, see what the computers look like, cause don't they got a you know what I'm saying? Like the computer sit right on top of the desk, or it got like a little, like.
I'm saying like the legs for this. I don't know if it's gonna hold 2 computers. Is what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's why I said we gotta see what the computer legs look like.
Alright, bet.
I guess we on computer legs before we open PC.
Got to.
Got to. Alright, y'all, we on computer legs like computer head.
Turn up, nigga.
WWE SmackDown. If I spend all my time with you, then I'm gonna have time for me. So you gonna put it to the side,
Yep. Just in case, you know.
just in case we decide on it. I see what you're saying, 'cause we really only got this for one person.
Yeah.
We didn't
might
need
not
it,
even
we
need
did
it.
it.
That's what I'm saying.
Shit. I don't know why it's not out.
Super.
Yeah, I'll be you.
There you go. Hit your boy, bro. Bro, hold it on the ground.
You are, what you mean on the ground?
I'm saying, hold it back there.
Alright.
Hold it.
Oh, no, hold on, hold it like this.
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
No. Over the thing.
Oh,
Yeah. Just in case something falls, this is on the desk. Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
This the platform that it's gonna be on.
Y'all see, we just got it. Alright, there you go. What's the platform?
This right here.
Oh, you trying to size it up. Yeah, we can make it work. Let's make it work. If we can't, then we can't. We just,
I don't think we can.
we're gonna see what we're working with. How big is this screen? Is this screen big enough?
Yeah, for sure. That screen overly big. That shit gonna be fire.
Well, when we get done.
I'm saying this shit gonna be fire. So we just gotta see. You just gotta see. If you wanna put this on there. Baby. Yeah, bro. We just gotta see if you wanna put this on
Do
there.
you think it's safe?
I don't think it is. That's why.
Oh my lord.
I don't think we're gonna put this on there.
Yeah, whoa.
Cause I'm not here.
The way you trying to set me up for destruction, Chat, y'all heard that I don't know if it's safe. I don't know if we're gonna put that on there.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna
What's
work.
going on, folks?
Alright, big.
So do we put this together first or PC? I guess
No, we just had to see. I still gotta put the desk together. I just had to see how big
What
this
else
is
you gotta put
gonna
on
be.
the desk then if we ain't gonna put that part?
I think the.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And that's it. But once that is good. Actually, yeah, you're right. We don't even gotta make the.
What's that over there?
Them is the drawers.
Oh, yeah. We can make a drawer real quick. Put a little drawer or two on there. Because we can probably put some more little chargers and little equipment up in there.
Exactly.
Like whatever I need for the PC can be in the PC area since we already got the podcast cart in the other closet. Hey, if y'all doing more than one content, separate y'all stuff, bro. Like, my podcast equipment is completely different from my PC equipment. That's why it took me so long to save up and buy all of my PC equipment. It's a different mic, different camera. Of course, it's a PC, it's 2 monitors, like, different area of the house and everything. Like, I'm keeping everything different, bro.
The whole shebang.
But, alright, we're gonna finish the desk and then, throw the monitors up and then throw the PC up and then come back and show y'all. So, hold up.
Aftermath.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's an easy desk too. That's just one of them slide in,
Yeah.
slide out. Up on there. Yeah.
Let's see if I can sleeve it up.
It's literally a slide in, slide out.
You feel me? I think this the bottom half of it right here. What's up, chat? We outside, man.
Oh, this thing. Oh, yeah. That's one of the little easy ones.
I'm trying to find a bottom piece. So it's like a black piece.
Black piece.
I might be tweaking.
What's this back here?
There we go. That's exactly what I was looking for. Yeah.
2 of them.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, I seen something in the back. I'm talking about the back piece.
Yeah.
Talking about the back piece. Take my girl and get her back beat.
Turn up, nigga.
Alright.
That nigga start fucking the box, y'all.
Feelings on my wrist bust up, dog.
That nigga funny as hell.
The feelings on my wrist bust up, dog. I can just order my hand,
Can't go broke like Adrian Brown.
Like who?
Adrian Brown.
Who said that?
Alabama Barbie.
Man, they just say be like that.
Yeah, they dissed the fuck out of
Hey, wow.
Shawty had said that. She said, can't go broke like Adrian Brown. We gonna put the clip in though. Shout out Shawty. We be spinning your shit at the club. That's it, fine. I do.
Mono said, damn. I know AB like, what did they fuck me for?
Okay.
That boy finally unboxing the PC. Ooh, we unboxing the PC right now, boy. Shit getting serious. Yeah, we got the 2 monitors up. We got the desk up. Shit going on.com, man. Ooh, I'm so excited for this new journey. I'm focused on myself, focused on my health, focused on my wealth. I want to grow as a creator. Alright, y'all, we finna take this PC out. Y'all finna see. Set this camera right here so y'all can see the process of what's going. Hold on. Gotta angle it down. Alright, there we go. It's heavy?
No.
Why you hold it like that?
You gotta be careful.
Ah. I'm like, is it heavy? Ooh, you two, y'all see it? You think that's over far enough for the kitchen?
How you feel?
Let me see.
Back it up and see.
Nah, I think we should be good. The sink all the way over there, we should be good. I could just be paranoid. What you think?
I think it's good. You wanna move it to this side and see?
Nah, cause then I don't want that shit to be too much, like accidentally get kicked. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't know who gonna be sitting right there, but theoretically speaking.
Yeah.
Woo! Getting with a friend. Am I feeling? I want blood.
The equipment we using, we got a desk, we got a PC right here, power spec, pretty regular. It got Windows 11 preloaded on there. Then we got 2 MSI monitors. About to get the HDMI set up so we can do a dual monitor setup. You know, this came with the PC.
Yeah.
Courtesy of Power Spec. Shout out to Power Spec.
Then what's in your hand?
And then we got an Ethernet cable. We're gonna bring out the Wi-Fi box out here. Probably put it on one of these fancy look. You know what I mean? It's new shelves, and then we're gonna plug straight into the box, and we good to go.
Got the LED. Then what else we get?
The microphone and the camera. So this is a USB mic setup. It plugs straight into the back of the PC, and then the camera. We're good to go. That's the setup, and then
Yeah, this the camera we use just in case y'all wanna go get y'all one. This the exact mic.
turn on.
Alright, y'all. We got one of the screens on, not both of them, but we just put a longer HDMI in the back of the second monitor, so that one should be coming on soon. The PC got its lights on, boy. Ooh. Yes. Shout out my brother, man, DJ Wavy H2O, the fucking guru, the fucking genius on phone them, man. Ooh, y'all see what's going on. Yeah. Getting it together. Getting it together, people. Go, 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 go. Let it adjust, let it adjust. Alright, y'all. We ain't completely done, but we almost dead though. So, we gotta get everything up and running. But I feel like we 75% there because I got the YouTube account, got the Twitch account, got the equipment, got it all set up. We just gotta get the Wi-Fi plugged up and the screens up and running and all the little technical stuff, the HDMI cord, Ethernet cord, make sure that's plugged in the right way and running. We're gonna get back to this on the weekend, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, support the journey. Appreciate everybody who tuning in. Appreciate everybody who showing love, you feel me? And yeah, man, I just decided I was gonna start streaming March 2025, and it's only August 2026. So we're gonna see where this take us, man. It's KK on the check-in. Let's go. Yo, what it is, gang? It's KK on the check-in for KK's Corner.
KK, how you feeling? This the ice cream girl.
KK on the way.
That's a good question. Waka Flocka, what up?
Big YK pussy. Ooh, thank you.
Callie.
Yeah, sir, man.
At the 29th birthday bash 2025.
Back and missed the one time for.
And just don't forget that, y'all.
Create new memories every day.
Hey, look.
That's KK Corner.
You stay consistent.
It's Carbon.
I'm well. Come on.
It's KK on the check-in.
Pop sit, right little fan going.
So be real with me right here. Yo, what it is, gang?
Jada. Get it.
Easy, how you feeling, mama?
Feeling good.
This is when you want to do great.
Hide your shit. It's KK on the